You think it's a healthy dressing. You pour it over a fresh salad to make it better. But what if I told you that iconic yellow squeeze bottle in your fridge is actually a chemical cocktail of liquid sugar and water, held together by industrial-grade modified starch? Most British families have spent their lives believing that salad cream is a harmless, tangy, healthier alternative to mayonnaise. In reality, the version you're buying from your local Tesco, Aldi or Sainsbury's is often a Frankenstein food, a mixture of spirit vinegar and cheap oils, dyed yellow with synthetic riboflavin to mimic the look of real egg yolks that barely exist in the recipe. Today we are stripping away the heritage branding of the UK's biggest corporations to reveal the shocking truth. We've analysed the lab-grade additives in the 7 brands you must avoid, including a household name charging you a 300% heritage tax for what is essentially flavoured starch. But it's not all bad news. We found 3 rare gems available in your local supermarkets that actually use real, recognisable food ingredients. Let's expose the industrial sugar source hiding in plain sight. Number 7. Aldi Bramwells. We start our countdown of the avoid list with Aldi's Bramwells. At under £1, it's a tempting budget swap, but the data shows you get exactly what you pay for. Water. In this bottle, water is the #1 ingredient by weight. To make water behave like cream, Aldi's suppliers load it with a combination of xanthan gum and guar gum. These are industrial stabilizers that give the liquid a creamy mouthfeel without the cost of real fats. The egg yolk content is a measly 3%, and that signature yellow color? It isn't from the eggs, it's riboflavin, E101. It's a watery, acidic mess that relies on salt and sugar to provide any flavor at all. While the price is low, the nutritional value is lower. You're effectively paying for tap water and spirit vinegar that has been thickened in a lab. If you're on a budget, there are better ways to save money than buying flavored water for your salad. This is the definition of commodity ingredients disguised as food. When you look at the separation that happens in these budget bottles over time, you're seeing the failure of those gums to hold together a product that nature never intended to exist. It's the first brand on our list to leave on the shelf. Number 6. Tesco Salad Cream. Next up is Tesco's own brand version, which takes the Gummy Muck title. Notice the gloopy texture when you pour it. That isn't from high-quality oils or rich eggs, it's from an aggressive combination of modified maize starch and a duo of thickeners, xanthan and guar gum. These gums are common in industrial food production because they are the cheapest way to create thickness in a product that is mostly water and spirit vinegar. Tesco's version also contains a complex mustard blend that includes dextrose, a simple sugar, and unspecified flavourings, pushing it further into the territory of ultra-processed foods. Like its rivals, it uses riboflavin for that fake glow. When you eat this, you aren't tasting a balanced dressing. You are tasting a mechanical assembly of chemicals designed to hit your tongue's pleasure centers while ignoring your body's need for actual nourishment. The inclusion of acidity regulators and multiple stabilizers makes this a nightmare for gut health. Don't let the convenience of the big blue tea fool you. The cost to your digestive system is far higher than the price you see on the shelf. It's a classic example of filling overfeeding. Before we move to the top 5 offenders, if you're tired of being lied to by big food corporations, hit that subscribe button right now. We're on a mission to expose the truth behind every aisle in the UK supermarket, and your support helps us stay independent from these big brands. Join the movement, subscribe, and let's get back to the list. Number 5. Asda's Classic. Asda's Classic Salad Cream is a sugar soak. It tries to mimic the iconic zingy flavour of the brand leaders, but it leans heavily on refined sugar to achieve that balance. In fact, it contains roughly 16 to 17 grams of sugar per 100 grams. That's nearly 4 teaspoons of sugar in a single serving size. When you combine high sugar with low-quality spirit vinegar, you create a product that is highly addictive but offers zero nutritional satiety. The ingredients reveal the standard blueprint: water, rapeseed oil, sugar, and spirit vinegar. But at only 25% to 28% fat, the rest of that bottle is filled with fillers. It uses riboflavin for color and potassium sorbate as a preservative to ensure it can sit on a shelf for months without changing. This is not a fresh product. It is a shelf-stable emulsion of cheap commodities designed to maximize profit margins while delivering a massive sugar spike to the consumer. It is another avoid for anyone watching their metabolic health. When you pour this over a healthy bowl of greens, you are essentially neutralizing the health benefits of your vegetables with a layer of liquid candy. It is industrial processing at its most deceptive. Number 4. Morrison's Standard. Morrison's Standard is the definition of industrial acid. The primary ingredients are water and spirit vinegar, providing a sharp, one-dimensional bite that lacks any fermented depth or complexity. But what makes this one particularly concerning is the inclusion of antioxidant calcium disodium EDTA. This is a preservative used to prevent color fading and flavor changes over long periods in plastic bottles. It is a clear marker of a product that is designed for a shelf life of years, not for human nutrition. You get a hit of acid, a hit of sugar, and a lingering aftertaste of chemical stabilizers. It also relies on the starch gum bridge to mimic creaminess. This is a filler food. It takes up space on your plate and in your stomach without providing the healthy fats or nutrients your body actually craves. If you're looking for a dressing that respects the tradition of British condiments, this industrial squeeze bottle is not it. It is designed by accountants to be just okay enough for you not to complain, while being cheap enough for them to make a massive margin. It's a lose-lose for the consumer. Number 3. Waitrose Essential. Even at the supposedly premium mid-tier, Waitrose Essential fails the real food test. Despite the clean green branding, this salad cream is packed with nearly 18 grams of sugar per 100 grams. In blind tests, consumers often describe it as having a mousse-like or weirdly thick texture. This is what happens when food scientists over-engineer a product with maize starch and mustard flour to compensate for a lack of high-quality fats. It still contains the standard 3 stabilizers: gar gum, xanthan gum, and modified maize starch. It also uses calcium disodium EDTA and riboflavin. It proves a vital point. A premium supermarket label like Waitrose doesn't always mean premium ingredients in their essential range. You are still buying an ultra-processed sugar source. You're just paying a few pence more for the brand's reputation. It is a confusing mouthful that highlights why reading the back of the label is more important than looking at the front of the bottle. If you think shopping at a high-end supermarket protects you from ultra-processed foods, this bottle is the wake-up call you need. It is functionally identical to the budget brands, just dressed up in more expensive packaging. Number 2. Heinz 70% Less Fat. The 70% less fat version of Heinz is a nutritional disaster and our runner-up for the worst brand to buy in the UK. This is the fat swap illusion in its purest form. When they strip out the rapeseed oil, which actually contains beneficial omega-3s and vitamin E, they have to replace that volume. That replacement is a combination of maltodextrin, a processed carb, modified corn flour, and extra stabilizers. To mask the chemical tang and lack of fat, they often rely on synthetic sweeteners like acesulfame K or sucralose. You're trading heart-healthy fats for a blood sugar spiking, lab-engineered experiment. It's the ultimate fake healthy marketing trick. Because there's no fat to trigger your fullness hormones, you end up using twice as much, thinking you're being good. In reality, you're just consuming more additives, gums, and sweeteners. This isn't a health product, it's an ultra-processed food, UPF, that is biologically unrecognizable to your body. When you strip the fat from a source that is supposed to be cream, you are left with a slurry of starch and sugar. Avoid the light trap at all costs. It's better for your body to have a small amount of real fat than a large amount of this synthetic substitute. This is marketing over medicine, every single time. Number 1. Heinz Original. The absolute worst offender on our list is the brand leader itself, Heinz Original Salad Cream. Why? Because it sets the race to the bottom blueprint for the entire industry. It is the heritage tax king. You are paying upwards of £3.50 for a bottle where the main ingredients are simply water and spirit vinegar. It contains a massive 17.2 grams of sugar per 100 grams, which is more sugar than you'll find in some brands of chocolate spread. Despite the original claim, it only contains 3% egg yolk. Think about that. In a bottle of cream, Only 3% is actual egg. The rest of the creaminess is a lie created by modified corn flour. Heinz uses its 110-year history to justify a recipe that is essentially industrial sugar water. It is the most expensive way to buy cheap, processed ingredients in the UK. By buying this, you are telling the market that brand loyalty is more important than ingredient quality. It is the anchor that keeps UK condiments stuck in the dark ages of high sugar, high additive processing. If we stop buying the leader, the rest of the market will be forced to improve. It's time to break the cycle of buying the brand and start buying the food. Heinz Original is the ultimate avoid. So we've seen the avoid list, from Aldi's budget bottles to the heritage trap of Heinz. And the pattern is clear. Expensive oil and eggs are replaced with cheap water, spirit vinegar, and starch. Then the fixes begin. Riboflavin for color, gums for texture, and huge amounts of refined sugar to make it taste good. But how do you spot the good ones? The secret is in the order of ingredients. If water or spirit vinegar are at the top, and rapeseed oil is a distant third or fourth, you're buying a filler. You want a brand where the oil and egg content are high enough that they don't need a chemistry set to make it thick. Now, let's look at the only 3 brands in the UK supermarkets that actually respect the ingredients and offer a better way to dress your salad. Number 3. Sainsbury's. Buy Sainsbury's. Our first worth your money winner is the Sainsbury's Standard Salad Cream, the one in the squeeze bottle. Why? Because in comparison to its budget rivals and even the brand leaders, it maintains a slightly more honest ratio of oil to water. While it still uses starch and stabilizers, it consistently performs well in blind taste tests because it doesn't rely as heavily on water thinning as the Aldi or Lidl versions. Crucially, it avoids the synthetic sweeteners like saccharin found in many value or light brands. It hits that nostalgic British profile. Tangy, zingy, and smooth for less than half the price of Heinz. For the average family looking for a better deal without sacrificing the classic taste, this is the pragmatic choice. It isn't a health food, but it is a better-than option that proves you don't have to pay for a billionaire's marketing budget to get a decent squeeze of salad cream. It's a win for the savvy shopper who wants the traditional taste without being exploited by a brand name. Number 2. M&S Collection. In second place is Marks & Spencer's Collection or top-tier salad cream. When you move to the M&S tier, the ingredient quality shifts significantly. While Heinz and the budget brands use the cheapest spirit vinegar, M&S utilizes a more balanced blend, often including white wine vinegar or cider vinegar, which adds a depth of flavor that doesn't just burn the throat. The oil content is notably higher, which results in a naturally creamier texture that doesn't require as much gummy muck to hold it together. Most importantly, M&S has a stricter policy on removing unnecessary E numbers and artificial colors. You won't find the same level of industrial stabilizers here. It still hits that zingy British profile, but it feels like a product made by people who care about taste and ingredient integrity. If you want the classic salad cream experience but want to avoid the worst of the industrial additives, this is a solid, accessible upgrade you can find in almost any UK town. It's proof that you can have convenience without the chemical cocktail. Number 1. Waitrose Duchy Organic. The undisputed winner in UK supermarkets is the Waitrose Duchy Organic Salad Cream. This is what salad cream is supposed to be. While the avoid brands are mostly water and vinegar, the Duchy Organic version uses high-quality organic rapeseed oil and a significantly higher percentage of real free-range organic egg yolks. There are no Frankenstein modified starches here. The thickness comes from the actual quality of the emulsion and the ingredients themselves. Instead of harsh spirit vinegar being the dominant note, they use a refined balance of organic cider vinegar. Because the ingredients are organic, they are free from the synthetic pesticide residues often found in the commodity oils used by the big brands. It is lower in sugar than the industrial giants and completely free from the synthetic thickeners and preservatives like EDTA that plague the budget tiers. This is real food. It's more expensive, yes, but because it's so rich and flavorful, you use a fraction of the amount. It turns a salad into a gourmet meal rather than a sugar-coated chore. If you care about protecting your plate and supporting sustainable real food systems, this is the only bottle that belongs in your fridge. It is the gold standard of what a British supermarket can actually offer when quality is prioritized over profit margin. Stop letting multinational corporations feed you flavored sugar liquid. We've spent this video uncovering the truth that most salad cream is an industrial illusion. They want you to pay for heritage and nostalgia while they fill your bottle with water and starch. But now, you have the power to choose differently. Your 3-second checklist for the supermarket aisle is this. 1. The water test. Is water the first ingredient? If so, you're paying for a dilution. Put it back. 2. The sugar spike. Is there more than 15 grams of sugar per 100 grams? If so, it's a dessert, not a dressing. Put it back. 3. The chemical count. Does it contain modified maize starch, xanthan gum, and EDTA? Avoid these industrial markers wherever possible. Every time you choose a brand with real ingredients, like the Waitrose Duchy or M&S versions, you are voting for a better food system. You are telling these companies that we won't accept Frankenstein foods anymore. We want real oil, real eggs, and real flavor. If this video opened your eyes, I need you to hype it immediately. We have a 7-day window to get this message trending and in front of as many UK shoppers as possible. Share this with your parents, your friends, and anyone still buying industrial sugar sauce. Every hype is a vote against the lies of big food. Every hype tells YouTube that people care about real ingredients. Until next time, read your labels, question the heritage, and most importantly, protect your plate. See you in the next expose.